Chat, what's good everyone? Good morning, welcome back to the streams. How's everyone doing? What's popping? Yo, what's good? Rays, Noodle Holtz, High Life. Chat, how we doing, man? Welcome back. Yo, get hyped. What's good? Good morning. Good Eugene, Mr. Rays. Triz is here, what's good? JJ, Rentarox, what's good? Welcome back. Good morning. Happy Monday. Yeah, my voice is going. Finally back. Yeah, I know. Trust me. It's been a while. Good, Louis. What's good? What's good? Eugene's here too. Chat, cool. Everyone's here, man. It's early, but everyone is here. Exciting stuff. What's good? Chief Keith, welcome back. Danny, good morning. Nice. Yeah, chat, listen, it should be a good day today. I'm very excited. I think we've got a lot of potential here. So, we are back, ready to lock in. New year, new month, new week, all of that good stuff. Last week was a good week. This week, let's make it even better. Hopefully you guys are good. How was everyone's weekend? Let me know. What did you get up to? Yeah, hopefully you guys had a good one. What's good, Eugene? W weekend, lots of work. Crazy. Good stuff. Eugene got rat-assed. Insane. How was mine? Mine was good, bro. Chilled out for a bit, did some work. Podcast was Friday. The podcast on Friday was crazy. It was so fun. Yeah, it was really nice. I can't wait for that to come out, to be fair. Yeah, it's gonna be sick. Really is going to be good. But yeah, other than that, a bit of work. Was you on Talk to It? Yeah, exactly. You got it. You got it. All right, chat. Look, let me do an analysis real quick. So, the weekly time frame actually opened up here with a bottom wick after closing very heavily bullish on gold. We have room all the way up now until 27.12 on the weekly time frame. As you can see, we consolidated for a while down here. Now we have a very strong candle that we pushed up on. And yeah, we're essentially opening up here, bottom wick first. If this candle flips and re-breaks the highs, you know, you can see room all the way up to 27.11 or even just a wick fill towards 26.98. That's already 100 pips of room. So yeah, a lot of potential on there. The daily is a very similar story. Daily, essentially, we are looking at the same thing, right? You've got room all the way towards 27.17, 27.04. These are a few areas that you've got, but again, yeah, a lot of opportunity here in terms of buys. I think we are obviously quite bullish for the day and the week. 4 hour too. Yeah, the 4 hour looks alright actually. You've had a little bit of a pullback. Now you're starting to consolidate and push back up. Dropping to the 1 hour though. This is where we have essentially the most important part here, which is our hourly ranges. Now, again, you're going to obviously see a clear range right here, and I'm actually going to play this range because I think it's the most important one right now. Let me just look to the left real quick. Yeah, perfect. Okay, cool. So we have a clear range here being formed between 26.85 and 26.91. As long as we're consolidating between these two, I'm not too interested. Unless we get like a nice buy opportunity at the bottom, maybe. But realistically, what I would want to see right now is a breakout above 26.91. I think that can take you up towards 96 and even further, to be honest. But obviously, first stop on that journey will be 96.6. Again, yeah, any closures above there is clean traffic all the way up. So you should expect to see that tap into the level. Alternatively, right, sells. I'm not too keen on sells just because I think we've probably already made our low for the day. Especially with this liquidity grab, right? You just made a big sweep. So I would say, yeah, I would say realistically we want to see a nice closure below 26.84 if we were going to get sells, and that should take you down to 26.79. But But for right now, I'm not overly interested in those. Realistically, the buys is what I'm looking for here. If we can catch them, then great. If not, obviously we'll stay patient and wait, but I do think there is a lot of opportunity for today. So yeah, with that being said, chat, that's going to be the analysis for today. It's very, very simple as always. But look, you can see right now, you are in a period of consolidation here. The 1 hour has been ranging for about, what I would say probably since 1 a.m. this morning, even further to be honest. But once you do break out of this consolidation, again, you are going to see that continuation play into effect, because what we're doing right now is we are grabbing liquidity over and over in order to have that breakout. So let's see if it comes at 9, 9:30, 10, somewhere around there. But whenever it does decide to, happen, we'll be there waiting, we'll catch it, and yeah, we'll see exactly what we can do. But chat, that's the analysis. Buys above 26.91 and sells below 26.84 at the moment. But yes, the buys is realistically what I'm looking for the most, to be honest. What's good, Joel? How you doing, man? Also implemented to our strategy, fixed range volume to use sweep of areas. Okay, bro, good shit. Sounds interesting, man. You'll have to show me. Danny, good stuff, man. I haven't even been in the private trading group for 1 week and already drew the lines in the correct places. Let's go, man. That's good progress. Good progress. Yo, what's good, WFX? How's it going? I can't lie, I had a bit of an interesting thing last week. So, all those break-even trades that we got last week, we actually had... So last week, chat, we had 1 win, which was a 20 pip win. We had 1 loss, which was an 8 pip loss. And then we had 3 break-even trades, right? 3. Those break-even trades combined, because of my broker, resulted in 18 pips of loss, because I got slipped by 8 pips on one, slipped by 5 pips on the other, and slipped by 5 pips on another one. So just because of slippage, I ended up losing 18 pips when actually we should have had a profitable week. So I have complained to them, but yeah, hopefully they refund me that, because that is not ideal, especially with the lot size that I pop. Is like a decent amount of money, But with that being said, right, the main thing that I keep thinking is, it obviously isn't a loss in my book, because the trades were stops to break even, etc. So we were still right for the week. Maybe monetarily we were down a tiny bit for the end of the week, but the strategy still worked. We still were profitable last week. It's just it's unfortunate, I would say. Louis, if we look for buys, how would you determine the position of the stop loss below the support of 26.84 or 26.78? Below the stops, below here is going to be quite big. It's going to be like 60-70 pips. I'd probably wait for a closure. Oh. 1 moment, chat. My bad. I had to yawn real quick. Yeah, I'd wait for a closure above the range. Realistically, I don't think this hourly candle is going to close above right now. So this hourly candle is going to close probably here. Wait for a candle to make a bottom wick. And yeah, once it closes above, we'll probably have stops below that previous candle wick. If not, it'll actually have to be the current candle wick. So, let's say we close above here. Next candle wicks down and flips. That's where our stops would be. And yeah. Unless you get a wick entry. If you get a wick entry, then, it's not too bad. We can take, below the structure for like 45 pips. But until then, thank you, Noodle Holtz. Yeah, chat, I have a new vlog coming out on Friday as well. I have a new vlog because I vlogged the whole podcast experience. So that should be good. That's going to come out on, around Friday, hopefully. Oh, no, it will be out on Friday. So excited to show you guys that. New vlog's blown up. Yeah, the car vlog went crazy. The car vlog went insane. If you haven't seen that, chat, make sure you go check it out, right? But it did go pretty crazy. I think we're on like 6K. Yeah, 6K views or something. Doing all right. It's doing all right. Chat, how's everyone's start to the year been? I wonder where everyone is as well. But how's everyone's start to the year been? How you guys been doing? Chat, look at the fade. This guy always gives me the crispest fades. Crispest lineups, I mean. How's the car been so far? Yeah, sick, bro. Sick. Like, I really can't complain. It's just incredible to drive every day. Although I did like, I did kind of break the front splitter because I went over a bump too fast. Obviously not ideal, but yeah, been not trading. This is the first week of the year. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Oh. Fresh, yeah, fresh trading account. That's not a bad idea, bro. Like fresh, I mean fresh start to the year because you waited. Take trading floor. I got it. I got you. Oh, you caught an early dub. Let's go. Early US 30 dub. Trading it outside of outside of NY session now. Insane. I was at the gym. Yeah, nah, fair. That's huge. Big dubs. What's good, Max? How's it going, man? Ray's cooking. Yeah, indeed. Ray's, you've been killing it, bro. You have been killing it 100%. Look at this. The 30-minute is starting to reject here. Over and over. You're making 2 wicks here after tapping into like this level at 26.89. I want to see what we do here. It looks as if we might want to continue a little bit further down. So we'll see what we do. But again, there's a lot of potential today, chat. Either way, I think we're probably going to get a position this London session. Let me just take out these BE trades taken. Yeah, only A+ setups this year? Yeah, of course, only. That's the key. That really is the key. Only take A+ setups and you're good. I don't know why I'm yawning so much. I need a coffee. Trump's in office soon, so volume's going to be there. Yeah, 100%. That's the thing that I'm looking forward to as well. When is he getting? 20th of Jan? It's a week. Next week. That's insane. That's going to be a big shake up in the market. There's going to be a lot of volume. I'd just buy US 30 and hold it. Buy the Dow Jones. I think we're going to see a big pullback on gold. I think we're going to be bullish on crypto though. Although we're not right now. This is killing me. I don't even want to look at that. I'm gonna stop looking at that. No bueno on crypto, to be fair. Buy S&P 500 and hold 4 years. Yeah, trust me. Then sell it whenever the Democrats next get in. All right, chat. Look, 9 minutes here to the hourly close. It's not a long time to wait. If you do close below, we can look at some sells. I would expect us to break out to the upside eventually, but we might need to come down and fill this. This is actually a wick down here, so fill this wick first. But yeah, realistically, you know, there's nothing that we can do until we break out this range. It's a bit of a difficult range. Especially since, you know, we actually are barcoding. It's not as if we're bouncing in between with good structure or not. It's just straight up, straight down. So it gets very difficult to trade this area. Just be patient, stick around. If you have any questions, last week's streams were crazy. We were, you know, full of activity, full of questions in the chat. It was very good to see. So if anyone has any, you know, make sure you just run them up because, again, it really does help everyone out. I think a lot of people might be like, you know, having the same questions as you, but they're just afraid to answer it. Why don't we play Geoguessr? I remember last year. Geoguessr has to be at the end of stream, bro. Can't play it now, we're too focused. Too focused. Yeah, chat. But listen, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. I appreciate you guys for pulling up already. It's literally only 8:50 here. Already 40 people in the chat, so that's huge. You also have to make a poker tournament one day. 100% I will, bro. 100%. I have to do that for sure. I will do as well. I think I want to figure out a way to do it with the actual money though. I can't lie, because I think poker's a bit boring unless you actually have money on the line. Or maybe not money, but like there needs to be a prize of some sort at least. SG, what's your opinion on Jeff Nippard, the science-based gym guy? He's alright. Yeah, he's good. He knows his stuff for sure. I mean, realistically, with lifting, it doesn't all need to be science-based. Just do what feels good. But yeah, he definitely knows what he's on about. You know I'm losing? Yeah, 100% Eugene. You're going to lose at a poker tournament. No shot. Rosie, welcome to the chat. Yeah, so this is my first time in the channel. Do you go live every week? Yeah, welcome. And yes, I go live every day, not every week. Every single day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the London session and New York session. Yeah, man. So welcome. You joined a great community. I'm sure if you ask anyone else here, they'll tell you the same. Join the Discord as well, so that you can actually be a member of the community and sort of ask any questions, and people in the chat will help you out. What's good, Kata there? How you doing, man? Welcome back. What's good, Zulu as well? Good morning, gang. Yeah, I'm very bullish this year on TRLS stock. I think we're going to see I think we're going to take over this year, to be honest. I really do think that this is the year that TRLS goes insane. I see it already. There's so much insane stuff happening. You know, we've got Freya who got a TRLS tattoo. We've got people, leaving reviews on the WAP every single day. By the way, chat, if you're in the private group and you haven't left a review on the WAP already, make sure you do that because it really does help out. Literally just go to wap.com and then it's going to be in your members section and you just click leave a review. Really does help out. I had to change my gym trading hours and I feel a bit bad. It's not the same. I'm more tired. Is that normal? Yeah, bro. So you just switched up your hours. If you're training later, then probably, yeah, you're going to be a little bit more tired. And yeah, very satisfied so far. Hey, Danny, I appreciate it, bro. Yeah, so like if you switch up your like routine, then yeah, it's gonna take a while to adapt, but you will adapt to it. And if it's a necessity, then it's definitely worth doing. Bad Dog, what's good? Good morning, welcome back. Good stuff, chat. A lot of people in here. Whole gang's pulled up for today's stream. I'm excited to see it. Look, we've got 5 minutes here to the 1 hour close. It does look like we're going to close within the range, but also bullish. So, I mean, look, we'll see what we can do. If you close bullish and you can come down and tap into the level here, you should see a continuation upwards. Oh. But you do need to tap into the level without any top wick. Otherwise, I can't take that at all. How long did it take for you to become profitable? I would say it took about 18 months to become, or about 12 months actually, to become fully profitable. There's different levels of profitability. You have, essentially you have unprofitable, break-even stage. You have like somewhat profitable, like slightly profitable, but a little bit inconsistent. Then you have what I would call as like the first stage of profitability, which is, actually consistently generating a little bit of money, a little bit of income. And then you sort of get different stages of profitability where you're scaling more. Maybe you're a bit more aggressive now. You can afford to be, then you're consistently making more profits throughout the week or throughout the month and throughout the quarter. So it's all like a bit of a phase, to be honest. So I can't really give a date when you become profitable, but it definitely is a good journey. Cool. What did I miss? Wait, where am I? Okay, yeah. What's good, Ben? Good morning, bro. What's good? How's it going? Chat, okay, it's 2 minutes here. 2 minutes to the closure. Again, what we're seeing right now is just a period of low volatility, right? There's low volume here, which is fine. But you don't really want to be trading this too much. You see how we're just slowly trending? We're not really making any clear direction. You realistically want to be waiting right now for better market conditions. Do you only trade price action? I would say my strategy is essentially a combination of like support and resistance, breakouts, price action, and candle theory, basically. So yeah, it's a combination, but it's a bit of a nuance, to be honest. But yeah, good question. I like it. Where's the low of the week? You don't think we've already made the low of the week, Eugene? I actually think that could be the low of the week. I'm not saying it necessarily will be, but it could be, you know. Nah, we haven't, not yet. How do you know? Huh? You're not the market maker. You're not Mr. Forex. Not random, SG? Not random. I'm gonna write up predictions now. Bro, you turn into a full-on ICT trader. All these ICT guys are so convinced about being right, they forget to trade. I feel like this is a really big thing in the community. You see so many traders that are so convinced that they need to be correct, and they need to prove themselves that they're right. But realistically, I'm just here. I don't care if I'm right about everything. I just want to make money consistently over time, and that's what we're doing. You know, I don't care if I call the low of the week correctly. I don't care if I call, you know, a specific price point correctly or not. As long as my trading setups and my entries are making money consistently over time, that's all I care about. And at the end of the day, they are. So I don't need to prove to anyone that, you know, our trading's correct or, you know, price points are correct. It's all that matters to me. Sorry, Eugene, I had to clip farm you real quick. Yeah, you're probably right, bro. I just had to clip farm it, so you're good. What was that clip about? Wait, let me write that. Nice. What's good, Sammy? Good morning. How you doing? DXY chopping up as well. Yeah, it's not ideal. Not ideal. Sam FX, do you come online every day? Yes. I stream every single day for London session, and then in the Discord I stream New York session. So basically 2 streams a day if you want it. Very convinced it's an algorithm. It is an algorithm, no? Look at this though, the 1 hour closed here. You closed bullish. Interesting. No real setup though, to be honest. Like, yes, you closed bullish off the bottom of the range, so you realistically, yeah, if you tap into 84 and flip, I mean, it wouldn't be bad, but I don't really want to take it. ICT guy claimed to crack the algorithm. I know, bro. Do you agree with the algorithm theory? What's the algorithm theory? Is that like, do you mean the ICT made the algorithm? Or do you mean that there is an algorithm? Nah, bun ICT. Okay. Chat, let me open my broker real quick. I want to see something. Chat, I love this new overlay though. I think it's so much cleaner to stream on. I know I said it before, but I'm gonna say it again. Why not? Alright, we're back. Yeah, which one do you mean then, Eugene? Market moves based on an algorithm and not big players, banks, fundamentals, and that? Bro, you realize... Hang on. The market moves based on an algorithm and not big players, banks, fundamentals, and that. Yeah, but who do you think owns the algorithms? So the banks just have an algorithm, or they have, you know, algorithmic trading. And essentially that allows them to, yeah, they trade using that. Like 90% of trades placed on the market right now are based on, you know, trades made by bots. So it's not as if there's not big banks and big players moving the markets or fundamentals. It's just that they own those bots and they trade through that. Yeah, of course they do. Like everyone knows, that's common knowledge. I wish I could pronounce that word. That would have been a good clip. Trade now markets are trading millisecond with really big volume. Yeah, exactly. But it doesn't mean that fundamentals don't move the market, because they massively do, obviously. You know, when you have news events, when you have, you know, big fundamental events, obviously these institutions are going to change their risk. They're going to change their overall macro, you know, thesis, and they're going to scale into different positions because, you know, obviously the fundamentals have changed. But they don't look at imbalances, they don't look at OTEs, they don't look at any of that bullshit. They just see a price where they see where they want price to go and they push it there. Fundamentals help rebalance imbalances. I don't think imbalances are even a thing. Like I don't think they actually know what you know, if you said to them, yeah, there's an imbalance, they'd be like, what are you on about? S&P crashing on monthly? What's the ticker symbol for S&P for futures? SPY, right? Yeah. SPX. No, it's not. It might be actually. Yeah, not ideal. You can tell I've never looked at this shit. I don't even know the ticker name. Chat, 50 people in here right now. I appreciate you guys very, very much. Listen, we're going to lock in a second here, but there's not too much we can do right this moment. 5-minute closed. It does have a bottom wick. So listen, drop a like, yeah, if you haven't already. Make sure you are subscribed as well if you're new. And yeah, a lot of potential today. I do think we're going to grab some nice positions here. We just have to stay patient, stay locked in. Institutionals buy or sell at levels they want and don't care OTE or FVG or cracked order blocks. Yeah, true. I think so too. Look at this, we're flipping here after tapping. We didn't quite tap the level, but we are flipping. I do think there's an opportunity for you to fill the range. But I'm not going to take this right now. I don't think there's a clean enough setup, if I'm truly honest. This is not clean. Oh. I need a copy. One sec, chat. Alright, nice. Oh, look, you flipped. So, yeah, interesting. Chat, I went to the gym yesterday, yeah, and these 3 kids walked in. They were like, "Oh my god, is that trend lines?" I was like, "Bro, no shot." Fucking annoying kids too. Basically famous though, chat. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. You throw a dumbbell at them? Yeah, a couple. I don't buy it. Ask Yannick. I have a witness. Whoa, he's lying. Alright, I'm lying. You're right. You got me. You got me. Yeah, chat, look, you're pushing up, but again, no volume really here. So it's a little bit difficult. 5 minute no bottom wick. Yeah, not nice. Chat, there's no setup here, okay? You just have to stay patient right now. We'll pick with me next link. You pay me. We got the 4-hour close as well in like 52 minutes here. Thank you. Yeah, you got like a 4-hour close here in like 52 minutes. So we should be good to get something at least off that. How big is your spread at the minute? Spread's like 1 pip at the minute. A little bit less actually. Spread's quite good right now. Nice to see. Why no dinner Friday? Eugene, I was already back home by 5 o'clock. Like I was literally already back home. We stopped up for dinner in Soho and then we went home. We should go feed the ducks? Alright, I'm down. Actually would feed the ducks to be fair. I think that's a vibe. Yeah, if you would have come out earlier, we could have met up, but unfortunately you did not. Waiting for turtles to soup when you should watch your support and resistance? Yeah, trust me. Exactly that. It's all just market structure. I was literally you know, during this podcast on Friday that I filmed with Bright Funded, I was talking to 2 other traders. It was like a round table. There was me and 2 other traders. And essentially, one of them traded like SMC. The other one traded, I guess, somewhat ICT, like Silver Bullet and stuff like that. And they both just, like, we all came to the conclusion that we traded the exact same thing, but just with different, like, names and shit, you know? It's all just market structure, all of it. How come you was in Islington? Did you get cab back? No, I drove there. I drove to London, bro. Look at this. See, this is why I didn't want to take anything right here. You did reflip just now after getting into this area, although the 5 minute is top wick first. Yeah, it should be interesting, chat. Again, it's just not, there's no decision on where it wants to go right now, so we have to wait and see. Stay patient, stay locked in, stay focused. There's gonna be a setup here. We've got a 15-minute close here in about 4 minutes. I would love to see a closure outside this range very, very shortly. Again, I'm going to be on for a little bit longer today, chat. As always, I'm going to probably be on till around 11-ish. I think there's a lot of opportunity. But, yeah, we'll see exactly how it plays out. Get me? Yo. Pause, calm. What's good, bro? How's it going, man? How is it going? Yeah, chat. Again, like I said, when you see a period like this, it's very important to know when to trade and when to not trade. If you're seeing something exactly like this, just say to yourself, look, I don't want to be involved in this chop. Like, you can't be trading this. It's just literally untradeable. So just say to yourself, look, until we're outside of this range, you can even just black it out, right? And just say, look, this is a no trade zone right here. I'm not interested in trading this. And I'll come back once we close outside. And that's probably the best way to do it, to be honest. Oh, Ben, I didn't see your message. SG, appreciate the effort you put into your course, by the way. Learning so much, G. Hey, let's go, Ben. That means a lot. Hopefully, yeah, I'm glad you're enjoying it. A lot of people, to be fair, chat, the feedback I've been getting on the course has been insane. Like, a lot of you guys are very, you know, very much enjoying it, which is great. That's exactly what I wanted. you know, I put so much time into this, like genuinely days and days and days of time, because I wanted it to be as good a resource as possible. So I'm very grateful that you guys are, you know, enjoying it. 18 trades deep, 2 brain cells left. Nice. You lose a brain cell every time you get in a trade, right? Started with 20 this morning, and now you got 2 left. Not too bad. Not too bad. Rosie, do you have a time frame to look for your entry setup? Yeah, all of them. We actually use every single time frame from like the 5-minute to the 4-hour, really. You know, it's all about confluences. Realistically, we look for like a 1-hour closure, or a 4-hour closure, or a 30-minute closure, and then we'll zoom into like the lower time frames, like the 5, 15, sometimes even the 1 minute, but most likely the 5 or the 15, in order to get our entry, right? That gives us a little bit more of a detailed entry. Almost like, I almost talk about it like a microscope, right? You essentially have your initial look, which is with your eyes or with your, you know, less zoomed in lens. Then you just flick through and get towards the, you know, more zoomed in lenses in order to get a more detailed entry. And that's what we do with essentially all the time frames combined. Did you change your chart colors? Yeah, I did actually. I did. I mean, I just forgot to change it back to my other one. Like, I have 2 presets here. I actually just forgot to change it back. I think I might leave it for the red and black, red and green for now, just because, I mean, it's working, right? That's all that really matters. It's working. Diagnose the chart like a doctor. Yeah, exactly. Wow. That 15-minute closing here in about 40 seconds. Are we going to see a decent close? Most likely not. If you close bearish, chat, towards the bottom of the range, again, you know there's nothing we can really do here. I would really want to see, again, closure below the range, or at least some liquidity being grabbed from below the range is very important, because that's going to mean essentially we are, you know, good to continue up. You can come down towards like 2680, even if you could feel this wick, you know, just on a 1-hour wick, then, you know, you should be good to continue back up after you close back into the range. And again, for the day, I'm pretty bullish, to be fair. We might need to come down and grab some more liquidity for the week, because obviously the weekly time frame doesn't have the biggest bottom wick. You might need to see the daily close bearish, tap into like 2660, and then continue back up. But with that being said, you also, you know, you should be good to continue up here with the liquidity you've already grabbed. The bottom wick here already is like 100 pips. Yo, Eugene's advertising in the chat. You guys advertising dog food or dog chew in the chat. Insane. That's ridiculous. That's actually insane. Any Americans in here need some hit me up? Crazy. But look, chat, Q1 2024, very interesting start to the quarter for me. I didn't expect to be getting slipped like that. But it is what it is. I was speaking to those traders at the podcast, and actually one of them isn't even trading for the whole month of January. Just decided not to trade. I think it's not a bad idea, to be fair. He said that, you know, January is a losing month for him normally. So it's just like, you know, I'm not going to trade it. Which is crazy, because it's a lot, you know, a lot of patience to take a whole month off trading. I don't know if I could do that. I would still be looking at the charts, but he just wasn't even looking, which is insane. What's good, Jar? Good morning, bro. Welcome back. Good, what's good? Yeah, I'm trying to break through the shadow band this year as well. I want to get to, you know... Oh, we're getting actually very close to 6K subs. How far away are we? I think we're like 100 subs off 6K, which is insane. The growth slowed down a little bit towards the end of the year because I took, you know, a lot of time off. But, yeah, 6K subs nearly, which is absolutely crazy. I'm super excited for that. Yeah, towards, you know, the end of 2025, the growth's just going to continue and continue. So... stick around. Much love. And yeah. If yes, buy on TikTok, Jesus. Morning, guys. Hope everyone had a good weekend. What's good, Matt? How's it going, brother? Very good weekend, to be fair. Thank you. Very good weekend. I had a heated game of Monopoly over the weekend. Did not end well. Well, it ended well for me because I won the game, but it was very heated. Nearly ended in a full-on scrap. I thought, you win Monopoly? What do you mean? That game takes me over 3 to 4 hours. Bro, it was literally like a 4-hour game, yeah. It was crazy. But it was like me, my girl, and one of my best friends. And literally, you know, we went to dinner and then came back and we were like, what should we do? Played a game of Monopoly. Started at like 8 and then it ended at like 1:30 or something. But no, it ended at like 12. But yeah. I had all the reds, all the yellows, all of the oranges, all the greens. I had Mayfair and Park Lane, and I had hotels on the yellows and the reds. And then I had like 3 houses on the others. It was game. It was game. Absolute smoke. During your trading journey, how did you overcome that panicking mindset of closing a trade when you see a big drawdown and the market going towards your profit? What I would say is, like, you know, realistically, if you are closing trades in drawdown because you see too big of a number, you're probably risking too much. You know, if you're scared of when you're coming towards stops or you're in drawdown and you have to close because you know, like you said, you're panicking. That most likely means you're risking too much, or you don't understand your strategy. Because at the end of the day, you know, when I'm entering a trade here, I have a specific stop loss. I understand if my stop loss gets hit, that trade becomes invalid. I have a specific take profit, and I also have a specific risk that I'm willing to accept. So, you know, let's say this stop right here is 27 pips or whatever. I will know that my risk essentially is somewhere between 1 to 5% on this trade. And that means that I'm okay with losing that. I know that my account size and everything, I'm okay with losing 1 to 5%. My stop loss is where it is for a reason. So you don't need to panic and say, you know, I need to trade here. I need to close here because I'm going to lose too much money. As long as you understand where the market is, where your stop loss is, and make sure that you're not risking too much money, then you're not going to panic when you come into drawdown. That's the main fix right there. SG, this month is a great opportunity for BE traders to focus on our psychology setups nicely for the rest of the year. Patience and discipline. Yeah, 100%, Ben. I think the key is with Q1 2025 is survive. You know, make sure your account stays intact. Focus on the skill, focus on the strategy. Q1 can be a very tough quarter. So just, you know, try and give yourself the best opportunities to survive it. And obviously, you don't want to be coming into Q2, Q3 with zero capital. So yeah, like you said, focus on your psychology, patience, discipline. Once you master that, once you understand how important that is as a trader, then you're good to go. Oven pizza is the top 5 worst foods in the world. Taxes are the thing, my shit thing in Spain. 1 more year and I'm gone. Yeah, bro. I was actually looking at apartments yesterday, chat. I'm looking all around the world at the minute. There's a few places that I'm still looking at. I'm still looking at Cyprus. Still looking at Bucharest. I'm still looking at Dubai potentially. Cyprus looks good though, I can't lie. I found a really nice apartment in Cyprus. Wait, chat, let me show you guys. This is crazy. I actually sent an inquiry. He's sending me a video of it today. Where is it? Oh, wait. Yeah. Apparently, what I heard is the most Googled thing right now in the UK is how to leave the UK. I found 2-bed apartments in Bangkok, less than $650 a month. Checking some out in March. Calm. In Bangkok, you can get the craziest apartments. Yeah, for like $400 or $500 a month, $600 a month. Yeah, easy, bro. I've seen a lot, and they are sick. Also in like Da Nang or in what's that other place in Thailand? By the beach. I can't remember the name, but there's loads of places you can get sick apartments. Wait, I want to show you guys this I want to show you guys this apartment in Cyprus that I'm looking at. It's like a penthouse, 2-floor. Bro, it looks so good. It looks so good. It's a little bit expensive, but because Cyprus is basically tax-free, I would save so much money on the tax that the apartment's basically cheap. That makes sense? News, what's good? What's good, chat? New year, new profits. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Yeah, thank you, brother. Great weekend. And yeah, new year, new profits, 100%. I'm excited for this year though, chat. I'm super bullish on everything this year. I think we're going to level up like crazy. You know, trading's already been leveling up like nothing else the past year. But obviously, think about where we're going to be in 1 year's time. If we leveled up so much in 2024, think about where we'll be by the end of 2025, coming into 2026. It's going to be genuinely ridiculous. Yeah, look at this though. Volume coming. Wow, volume coming into the market right now. 5-minute close, no bottom wick right at the level. Oh my days. Crazy. That's a trend play right there. That is a trend play right there. And it's gone. I want to wait for the 30-minute closure, to be honest, chat. That was so nice. That was actually very clean. What do we do here, chat? Are we going to continue up or are we going to flip back down? We were quite heavily bearish when we closed there on the 5. Like, it was pushing very strongly. So what I would normally do, I haven't been taking them recently just because I want to wait and see how 2025 begins. And if they still work in 2025, which they do. But, yeah, that would be the normal position here. Targeting the top of this range. You know, you'd already be risk-free right now. Yeah, we go up. Yeah, I think so. But yeah, you're looking to reflip here. I want to see it like a decent closure, you know. I just want to see something bullish. We can take a look if this 15-minute close is bullish. Stops are still going to be extremely tight. 30-minute closure here, chat, in about 3 minutes time as well. It's very worthwhile for me to just wait for this closure. Again, I don't like... If it was, you know, if we hadn't come up first and grabbed liquidity to the upside and we come and tapped into this level, I'd be in there right now off that no bottom wick for sure. But the fact that we came up first and we started to sort of make some bearish structure, not really massively, but a little bit. I don't really like it too much, you know. Yeah, and you rebroke the lows here, so not ideal for me here. I need to wait and see, chat, but there is a lot of potential here. It's 30 minutes closing as well. Closing below the range too, by the looks of it. I mean, you got 2 minutes, right? So we'll have to wait and see, but there's a lot of volume right now. Volume's definitely picking up, which is good, chat. So start to lock it in here. A lot of potential. Ah, look at this. If it's 5 minute to close back inside the range, it might be good to go. That's a lot of liquidity we've just grabbed. Each time that we've done that, we've continued back up, right? And again, like I said, I am bullish for the day, so if this can be our area to catch some buys, I'm not massively against it. Yeah, 5 minute flip, chat. Let's see what happens. I'd actually like the 15 to close bullish too, but I think that's a bit of a big ask. What's good, Triz? Abbas, what's good, man? How you doing? Welcome back. What's good, what's good? Yeah, chat, 50 seconds here to the 30-minute close. Wait, I want to see what happens right now. Listen, chat, drop a like, though, if you haven't already, or if you've just joined, make sure you drop a like. Yeah, we want to see what this 30-minute closure hit does right now. If it closes below the range, it might be a little bit difficult. I'm not too eager to take sells. I do think we could probably see a continuation upwards. 5 minute closing bullish. That minute would need to respect this area here at 85.3 if I was going to get buys. If it doesn't respect that, chat, then it's technically a lower low, and I'm not taking buys off a lower low. Yeah, so the 5 minute did close bullish. I think we could continue up here. Like, there's a high possibility that we can continue up, but at the same time, look at the 30. We technically did just make a lower low. Top wick first as well right now. Not something I'm massively interested in here, chat. Yeah, one sec. Someone's calling me. Alright, we're back. So yeah, you are pushing up here, chat. Which, whoa, okay, there you go. That's that push. Yeah, so I mean, technically, look, you did respect the level. You did close back bullish on the 5. The only reason I didn't take that, like I said, was the 30 minute was a little bit difficult. Chat, wait, here's that apartment. Let me find this. Yeah, so obviously now that you have pushed up, there's nothing I can really do here yet, chat. The 1 hour did just flip, though, which is interesting. That might be good for a closure as well. You got the 4 hour close in about 20, 30 minutes. Here you go. Yeah, this is the apartment I was looking at, bro. I don't know if I'm going to get this one necessarily, but this shit is insane. Like, I actually think this is so cool, especially, wait. Where's the... I swear there was a balcony. Trying to carry a bed up that staircase is diabolical, bro, trust me. Wait, there was more photos yesterday. Oh, bro, that's so tough. There was more photos yesterday, like, showing essentially different view, but... Yeah. Be insane for, like, a nice little video. That, like, as a... Oh, this is a jacuzzi, by the way, but for the background of a YouTube video, this goes hard. I'm gonna sit right here and drop the fattest Forex game ever. How can I send a trade? Send it in the Discord, bro. 14 pips and dips. Nice, calm. Good shit. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, chat, listen. I mean, look, that was an aggressive entry. I guess it was, you know, you could have taken that. For me, it wasn't, you know, it wasn't an A+ setup in my book. But obviously, everyone's going to have different entry criteria. If you caught that, then W's, congrats. I just didn't take it personally. But look, there's a lot of opportunity here. I think we have a lot of potential. So I'm sticking around. I want to see how this next sort of like, you know, 15-minute / 4-hour close afterwards plays out. But yeah, again, either way, there should be a lot of potential. I want to be outside of this range, to be honest. I don't think I'm going to take much in between 91 and 84. How do you determine your levels? Good question. So the way that I find my levels is very, very simple. It's essentially all just based off of rejection areas, right? So, you know, if we're looking at right now, this is a very easy one for me to explain to you guys. If you're looking right now at where does price reject over time, you can essentially see you have one, you know, now you have 2 areas of rejection on this top area. You have it actually multiple times. And if we look left as well, there's going to be a lot more. But again, you've rejected twice here. Then you've rejected twice down here. And then obviously the same here and here. And then once you find those rejection areas, what you do is you simply just zoom in a little bit and essentially find the body of a candle in this area. So, you know, let me just delete this. You find the body of the candle in this area. You place your level on that body right there. And as long as this, you know, it's being respected over time, you can look left and see, okay, are we being respected over time? As you can see, I just moved it up, right? Because we actually have another area here. You just adjust it slightly because previously we respected a little bit lower. Then you look, you know, how has price respected that over time? Okay, perfect. It wicked into it, bounced off. Wicked into it, bounced off. You know, over here, we wicked into it again and bounced off. And again, price on the lower time frame as well is respecting this area. So for me, that shows that this is a perfect level. So you place your level there. And the same for the top and the same for the areas above. Very simple. But, you know, that's the way that I do it, and it works every single time. Hopefully that makes sense, though. I can go into more detail as well. I was kind of just clip farming that as well, but there you go. Why didn't you trade New York, Sam? I do trade New York. I trade New York. I used to trade it live on YouTube, but now I trade it with my private trading group just because I was getting so tired of trading. You know, 2 streams a day is so tiring. So I got a little bit tired of that, and now I trade it in the Discord. We just chill out, listen to music, vibe out, wait for a position. And yeah, but I always trade New York, of course. Are you moving or just for a month or 2? That looks sick, that place. Yeah, thanks, Jake. No, I'm going to be moving, like moving, because, you know, firstly, the UK is, I don't even want to speak about it on here, but it's not what it used to be. Secondly, tax is a lot better in Cyprus. Thirdly, weather and everything's a lot better. So, yeah, it's not necessarily going to be Cyprus, but I can get a lot more place for less money out there. And yeah, save on some tax too. It's a no-brainer. I can eat gyros like crazy, or gyros, or however the fuck you pronounce it. Chat, listen, drop a like as well if you haven't already. Does mean a lot. Make sure you're also in the Discord as well. If you are new, we have a free Discord. Make sure you join that because that's where the real community is. You know, a lot of people spend a lot of time in here discussing their trades, discussing everything. So, yeah, make sure you stick around in there. And yeah. Where's this apartment located? Country? That one was in Cyprus. It's something that I've been looking at. Cyprus looks quite good, but yeah, it doesn't necessarily have to be there. I think a lot of people are leaving the UK though at the minute. Like a lot of people. I've been wanting to do it for a good, year or so now. Haven't got round to it. Like I haven't been able to do it. But the other thing too as well is I figured this out when I was in Romania with Kata. The time zone, the European time zone, or even like the Greek/Romanian time zone, where you're like 2 hours ahead of the UK, is so elite. It's so elite for trading because you can wake up at like 8 o'clock, which I normally wake up at like 7:30, but let's say I wanted to wake up at 8 o'clock. That would then be 6 o'clock for the UK, which means that I'd trade pre-London, London, and New York. I'd be able to trade them all, and a lot of the moves that we get is pre-London. Pre-London is crazy. There's a lot of volume in pre-London. Like if we look here, pre-London starts around here. Look at the volume that we have. Obviously, there wasn't really a clean setup today, but you moved what? 70 pips up, and then maybe you had a Sky Dweller play downwards actually. So you had another, 60, 70 pips down. And then London's just started to consolidate, but the pre-London move was insane. The same every single day. Like, the pre-London move hooks most days. You are, again, look at this. You trend upwards pre-London towards London Open right here. Tired, it's 1:40 a.m. Yeah, calm, exactly, bro. I think, trading in EU is a blessing. I definitely think EU is the best time zone to trade. UK is alright, but if you can trade in, like, Greece or, Eastern Europe, it's so good. Like that time zone is really, really good. Use great for trading. You can look at all sessions. Yeah, exactly. Like I'm not going to trade Asian, so I'm not bothered about being in a time zone where Asian is at a good time. That doesn't matter to me because I will never trade Asian probably. So for me, I just need a good time zone for London and, for New York. And if I can wake up later, but also trade earlier for the UK, then that's perfect. That is really perfect. There's people that trade second hour of Asia on gold. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people do, right? Asia opening, there's a lot of volume on gold from what I've seen. But for me, it's just like, yeah, look here. You have a lot of volume on, Asia. This is an actual Asia opening, right? You got Sydney, obviously, before for 2 hours. But we had so much volume. For me, I don't think that it's good volume, though. I think there's a lot of, like, manipulation, a lot of liquidity sweeps. So I'd rather just wait till, I think London and New York. New York's obviously elite. Like, New York's obviously a great time to trade. But I think London is probably also one of the best. How's this whip, SG? My car? Yeah, bro, it's great. I can't complain. Literally, it gaps anything. Like, it's so fast. It gaps most cars. And then it also is, like, super comfortable to drive. And yeah. Got your plate yet? No, bro. So they haven't given me my V5, which is annoying. I haven't got it. The government haven't sent me my ownership letter yet. So I need that to put the plate on the car. But yeah, the new plate is going to be so cool, chat. I got a private plate for my car. I think I told you what it was, yeah. But like, it's going to look so sick. Got that XAU plate and everything. SG XAU. Super proud of you, bro, and inspired. Hey, thank you, bro. Thank you, Noose. Yeah, that means a lot, bro. Thank you. Yeah, I tried to get the TRLS plate, but I couldn't. There was literally none. And when there was one, it was like 10, 20k. So yeah, I couldn't do that. So I actually got, wait, let me show you my plate. Check my emails real quick. If it's gonna load. Apparently not. I actually wanted to show you the plate, but I don't think it's gonna load. But yeah, I got S9 Xauusd, so I think it's gonna be sick. It's gonna look so cool on the car. Get the Dubai #1 plate, only cost a few M's. Yeah, trust me. Trust me, I definitely need to do that. But no, I got this, so it's gonna say like S9 Xauusd. Meant to be like SG Xauusd, right? But I couldn't get S6. I tried to get S6, but the guy who had it didn't want to sell it, so I got S9 Xauusd. That's like SG gold. I don't know, bro. I think it's gonna look tough. I think it's gonna look sick. Chat, 15-minute closure here in about a minute's time. Look at the way that we rejected as well. Very clear rejection here. I wonder what we're going to see in terms of closures here on the 4-hour. I think, again, as long as you close with some direction on the 4-hour, like, look, if we close bearish on the 4, you actually have very clean traffic all the way down towards like 2680-ish. I would like to see you close below this level here as well. If you did that, then we could definitely take some sells. But as well as that, obviously, again, I want to be outside this range, like I said. But if you can close bullish above, even better. But I think the likelihood of that happening, you know, you've got 15 minutes. You need to push up basically like 70 pips if you're going to do that. So yeah, I don't think that's going to happen, to be honest. Either we're going to be in the range or we're going to close below. And you'd prefer we close below, right? Just so that we can actually get a decent entry. What we could do as well, if the 4-hour closes below, you know, you can wait for a top wick tapping into like this area here, 2687, somewhere around there. Stops are decent above the top of the range, then wick entry all the way, come back down, and yeah, clean trade. So let's see what we do, chat. But again, it all depends on how the closures happen. The 15-minute did just close weak bullish at the bottom of the range, so again, literally nothing I can do there. But yeah, we have some time, so if you guys have any questions you want to ask about trading or anything, give me a shout. Otherwise, you know, we'll see. Staying alive by the Bee Gees, insane. Chat, you know what? There was also, when I was looking for properties, there was also like a 5-bedroom villa in the middle of nowhere in Greece, right? It was literally in the middle of nowhere. Like, there was no villages or shops for miles. And I was thinking we could turn that into a crazy TRLS compound. It came with loads of land as well. So like, can you imagine? Literally, get like ATVs there. Put up like a fat trading setup. Bro. Get the whole private group there, start trading from it. We actually need a bit more than 5 beds, but you get my point. Trading holiday is going to be a thing? Yeah, I think so, bro. They have to be, right? Pull up and pull up somewhere nice, trade for the morning, go out to, you know, lunch or dinner or wherever it is. The groups can go trade, chill, pool game. Yeah. Games room. Yeah, exactly. I think so. I think so. I think that's the move. 2 or 3 bics, I'll let you choose. 3, bro. Always 3. Can't have 2 Weetabix. That's like a woman's choice. That's not a breakfast. Yeah, 10. Ben's right. Just get those carbs in early morning. Really good for your insulin levels. Oh shit! I need to figure out. I bet the Wi-Fi out there in Greece is shit. Mark's Wi-Fi is always terrible. Do they have high-speed Wi-Fi? Cyprus. Okay. All right. Should be good. Yeah, Mark's Wi-Fi is always just so bad that it puts me in a situation where I'm worried about Wi-Fi out there. I have to pay to get decent Wi-Fi put in. Mark has to keep putting money in the meter. He's got a coin machine next to his desk and he just puts like 50 cents in whenever he needs a little bit more Wi-Fi. So your Wi-Fi shush. My Wi-Fi is good. Chat. 15-minute flipped here. Interesting. Looks as if we want to continue down, chat. It looks like we do want to continue down. So that is very interesting. Chat, we have a 4-hour close here in about 11 minutes. So that is what I'm going to wait for. But with that being said, you do continue bearish here. Close below and you get a nice top wick. We will take some sells because I do believe that we have a lot of room to continue down. So you have a wick fill here on the 4-hour towards 26.79-ish. Again, that's another level that we tapped into before. So we might need to come and retest that before continuing back up if we are going to do that. I would say, again, yeah, we have grabbed a lot of liquidity though. So there is the possibility that we actually do just push straight down on the 4-hour. Oh yeah, by the way. What are you going to say now, bro? What are you going to say? I don't trust your oh yeah, by the way. I don't trust that. You're going to say some stupid shit. Yeah, chat, this could be anything. I think the most likely option is it's going to be nothing. He's going to just say it and then not say the by the way. I think that's the play from Eugene here. 5-minute close bearish, chat. Look at this, coming towards the bottom of the range. It does look like we want to retest these lows. But yeah, you did reject the push up as well. That stream in Tokyo session. No, you didn't. Shut up. Sorry for being absent, doing some shits in the side too. You're good, bro. Don't worry. You're all good, man. Eugene, bro, if you streamed, you're basically a swing trader, right? So you'd just be sat there all day going like, nah, I need to wait. To be fair, that's what I do anyway as well, so I respect it. Bro trades off a 4-hour time frame. Be eating Weetabix on stream. Bro, I have belly aches every morning. I think it might be time to reconsider what you eat. To be honest. "30-second chart, I'll go home." Trust me, bro. I'm dropping down to the 1 second. I can't even see the 1 second. It won't let me, but... Bro, the 1 second would be insane. And look at this. Who's trading the Bitcoin 1 second chart? Me. Okay, I hear it. What's good, Simple? How's it going, bro? Chat, are we going to see a nice little closure below here? I think we might, to be honest. We've got 8 minutes here to the 4-hour close, so just stay patient. Stay locked in. Wait, chat, I'm going to be back in 2 seconds, yeah? We're waiting for this 4-hour close anyway, so I'll see you in 2 secs. Yeah, we're pushing chat. Interesting times here. So, pushing down a little bit here, which is good. Again, I want to see some nice closures there. I want to see what this 4-hour does. There's nothing I can really realistically do until, yeah, it still hasn't closed below exactly. But as long as it does it on the 4-hour chat, I think that's enough for me, to be honest. So you're most likely going to see something like this here. Nice little closure below. You can get like a wick back up to this area up here. We'd have stops above the level, which is looking at like, yeah, 49 pips, something like that. Again, I'd actually, if you could come further up, that'd be great, just so we can get smaller stops. But I think it might be futile. And then, yeah, literally your target would be the bottom of this range all the way towards, I think the wick fill at 79. Let's just call it 80. Very, very clean position. You could probably let that run if you close below. It's literally clean traffic. You have a wick fill. But you just need that closure. It looks like it's, you know, it's rejecting the close below right now, which is fucking interesting. The 5 minutes got no top wick, so this 5 minute could flip at any point. Again, we rejected the push up, and now we're also rejecting the push down. So either it wants to consolidate a little bit longer, or we're going to see like a breakout and a quick pop. Yeah, look at this. See? Flip back up, chat. I think we expected this, though. Like, I don't think, again, the fact that we've been struggling to close below so much is so difficult. But once you do get that closure below, you guys know what gold's like. Once you get that closure below, it's gone. Or, obviously, it's gold's prerogative to do what it wants, right? You might just see it continue all the way back up towards the top of the level. $15 flipped. A lot of opportunity right now, though, chat. You got 4 minutes here till the 4-hour close. If you do close bullish here, chat, I mean, I don't think we're going to close bullish on the 1 hour, but if you did, we'd probably take some buys. Otherwise, we might have to wait for 10:30, 11, which is okay. But stay focused and lock it in here, chat. Look, let's try and get to 50 likes on today's stream as well. I don't know what we're at right now, but let's try and get to 50 likes. We haven't already. Yeah, your guys' support recently has been insane, like truly incredible. So I appreciate it a lot. Yeah, we're at 30 likes, chat. Come on, we can do better than that. Previous weekly high. Mr. Weekly over here. 3 minutes, chat. Closing, respecting as well. I just said the 1 hour probably isn't going to close bullish, but it looks like it even could do right now. Insane. Big last minute push here from gold. 5 minute previously closed, no top wick. Price action is very difficult here. Looking to see what we can grab, chat. Still think there's a lot of opportunities, so 42 drawings, Eugene, is insane. I have 8 drawings right now. 42 drawings on your chart. Bro's drawing a Picasso on his chart every single morning. Alright, chat, look, the 15's closing bullish. 5 minute, pushing up bullish as well. 30-minute bullish, 1 hour bullish. Well, the 1 hour's bearish currently. It's more like doji. My eyes hurting. Can't get some rest, bro. It was actually 42. How do you have 42 things on your chart? Alright, anyway, chat, I'm locking it in here. Let's see what we can get. 5 minutes rejecting. Oh, no, this is poor price action, chat. Unless we decide to close below now. But if you do close below, you've already just now grabbed your top wick. So, and did that tap into the area? It did as well. Yeah, if you close below right now, I think this is already your top wick. I think you see the 4 hour push down bottom wick first. We'll see though. We'll see, chat. We'll see what happens. $50 seconds, chat. Okay, it looks like we might be cooked. Bearish right at the level? Yeah, I think so, bro. I can't lie. I think, yeah, there's a high possibility it's bearish right at the level. I also do think that we just came and grabbed the top wick, though, so I think we're going to push down. Like, I have a very strong feeling we just pushed out. Yeah. Push down, no. No top wick. But let's see, chat. We do look like we might close below. You did close below. But like I said, I think we're going to push down without a top wick. So I think this 5 minute candle here was the top wick we were looking for. Right? You can see how we tapped into the level here. So it doesn't actually have to be on this current 4 hour candle open. You've grabbed... A top wick is just liquidity, right? And you've already grabbed the liquidity. Okay, chat, good. If we can grab a top wick here and re-break these lows, I think we have some potential. But it needs to be a big top wick. I can't take something like this. I need to see like a tap into like 87. If we tap into 87, re-flip and break the lows, chat, I'll take some sells. But until that point, I can't really do anything. I do think we're going to tap into like 79 here to right now, or 80 at least. So whether that's now, in the next 15 minute, whatever it is, I think we're going to see a fill down. I think we're going to fill that wick, to be honest. But again, I need a top wick. I need some liquidity. My strategy tells me that I need to wait for that, so I have to wait for it. Okay, but there's a lot of potential here. The off the rip position would have got you what? I think you would have seen like 10, 20 max. No, 10 max probably. Yeah, not even. So I'm not worried about that. I would say we could potentially look at something like this. You know, if the 4 hour candle can come up and make a top wick. To be honest, I don't think it's going to come back above this area here. I think this was your liquidity grab. So what we could do in future is implement a position where we take this and this is our stops. think that's something I'll look to sample size because the top wick's already been made, right? Have you been streaming for a whole year yet? Not yet. Streaming for a whole year in February. No, January 20th, I think, will be at 12 months of streaming. Crazy, right? That's actually insane. That's a good point, Eugene. The chat, you see what I mean, right? This 5-minute candle before the close made the top wick for us. Yeah, this is going to rip. I think I want to sample size the position based off of this. It would essentially be like this, right? Off the rip. And stops above that high. Yeah, chat, I'm going to take a look into that. This is ripping, by the way. Look, it's going to do exactly what I said it would. I'm going to fill this wick down towards 80. Chat, this is exactly what we said. So the analysis played out. Alright, Kat, in a bit, bro. I'm going to stick around. I think there's still some potential here. I think, chat, as long as we can grab a nice little pullback, we have some potential here. Obviously, if you fill the range, it gets a little bit difficult. But again, 10:30, 11 should be good in terms of volume. Even like 10:15, so like in about 10 minutes time. I want to see like just a little bit of a pullback on this candle, a top wick, and then we should be good to go, chat. I just need some form of pullback, otherwise I can't take anything. Daily's about to re-break its own low too. But chat, you notice how the analysis that I told you guys played out literally perfectly. Like, we understood that the previous 5-minute was the liquidity grab. We understood that it was probably going to rip down off, you know, straight away. It did that, broke these lows here. Once it broke this low here, you knew you were gone. Like, gone. Good XYZ. Our very own troll. What's good? Yeah, that 5 nearly closed no bottom wick. I got excited then. I actually got very excited. I saw this nearly close no bottom wick. I was about to get in buys. What's good, Jorge? How you doing, man? What's good, Brad, as well? We still have a 1-hour wick to fill from NFP. Yes, you're right. We do. We do. 100%. Yeah, it's very possible that we do come down and fill this area down towards, you know, the bottom of the range here at 2664. Good shout, Brad. I didn't even think about checking that, but you are right, 100%. Question is whether it's now or not. The 4-hour has no top wick, which is very difficult for me. I do think someone got sells there. Yeah, chat, we would have got sells there if we just had a little bit of a bigger top wick. I think, to be honest though, if you look at where we've rejected in the past, this right here would be the area to reject. Like, if you look at, you know, 79, it tapped exactly what we said. Oh, the NFP wick. Yeah, someone took sells here. Yeah, 100%. 100% someone took sells here. And if they did, I don't know, you better have tight stops, otherwise you're cooked. So look at this rejection. So we are slightly pulling back here. I want to see what happens. I do think there's still a lot of opportunity here today, chat. Tiger, elephant, mammoth, rhino, camel, mouse. Any more, Eugene? What's that? Otter, skunk, sloth. Nice. One. Alright, I'm gonna stop reading these out. One lizard, flamingo. Nice. Alright, you've overdone it now, mate. Yeah, the dolphin was too much. No, chat, look. So, by the way, last year as well, we finished off the year with like a 87% win rate. On stream and signals as well. Signals did crazy. I literally still haven't finished updating my journal, but we did way over 1,300 pips last year in the signals. Which is crazy considering, you know, a lot of people at the start of the year were trying to, you know, put us down and all that stuff, and we came out, and I don't know anyone with as good of stats as we did, especially because the risk to reward on those pips was actually, you know, incredible. In terms of risk to reward, or like, you know, over the year, we did about 37. I think it might actually be more. I think we did 37R in terms of our returns for the year. 37 risk to reward. So whatever you risked, you returned 37x. Let me just check this though. I don't want to get that wrong. I think it's actually, it might be more. Scroll down, please. Oh shit, most of it I don't have tracked. Oh, that's sad. Oh, chat, it's way more. Way more. Hang on. I thought it was 30, but it was like... I think we're looking at like 50R for the year. I just need to update my journal, right? Because I don't have all the trades in. Give me a sec. All right, wait. Oh wait, let me do this way. One sec, chat. So, if you go to the risk to reward column of the journal, where is it? Oh, here, let me scroll up. Some of them haven't actually been entered in though, which is annoying, but there you go. Oh wait, I don't want to drag that down. I want to select. There you go. $53 chat. 53, 54 basically risk to reward. Let's call it 53. Oh, you can't see it. It's down here. Fuck. Wait. You see here? Sum 53.9 R for the year. So that is ridiculous. That's actually insane. I don't think I've ever seen stats like that. Actually ramped up the account like crazy. And that's with the negative risk to reward too. Are you joking? That's crazy. Yeah, bro. I had a 86.1% win rate in 2024. Only got 530 pips. Lost 2 accounts in that year. Yeah, insane, bro. I mean, that's still good though. 86.1, 530 pips is a good, decent pips for the year. I mean, it's not really about pips. It's just about, like, you know, percentage gain, profit, etc. But just a good way to measure it. Chat, 3 minutes so left. 3 minutes left till the 15-minute closure here. Let's see what we can do. See how we close here. I think there's, again, a lot of opportunity for us to get some nice positions. So, yeah, can we grab something decent here? Also, whilst we're waiting, make sure you have liked the stream. Make sure you subscribed and liked the stream because, again, it does help out a lot. We should at least be able to get to 50 likes on today's stream. I want to see what we can grab in terms of positions here as well. think, to be honest, it's very difficult to grab anything at the minute until we get at least a pullback, or unless you want to try and take the reversal here. But the reversal again is tough. Faded than a hoe, crazy. That is such an old fucking meme, I guess. What was that guy's name again? Fulcrum, right? Yeah, come in. Yodi gang. What happened to that guy? Is he still around or not? I presume he's not. Bro, chat just combined to create the full video. He had a kid? No way. Bro, that is insane. Let's find it. Oh yeah, chat, I'm gonna get my car tuned as well. His name? Fulcrum. This guy. He has no videos there. What's up with Bevo, by the way? Still a thing? Bevo, I don't know, bro. Insane. I don't know if I can show this on YouTube. They're gonna ban me. That's a good point, actually. Yeah, Bevo, he fell off. 100% fell off. I think he does some shit with OnlyFans girls now or something. What's good, Bedge? How's it going, brother? Long time no see. What's good? What's good? Chat, 15-minute closing here. How are we gonna close? Bearish, obviously, right? But like, I mean, are we gonna close no bottom wick? You could close no bottom wick, chat. That might be good for some buys. Don't think you're gonna do. 5-minute flipping in the last like couple of seconds here. Yeah, I think, yeah, the move might have been the break of this low here, like an impulse break of this low. 15-minute close. Yeah, close kind of below the most recent, to be fair. Kind of below, basically at it though, which is difficult. Top wick first as well. I don't think I want the sells here. We've moved too far. Stops are too big, right? But you realistically should test into 78 here. However, like last time we did react at the exact same level. 77 to 75 buy. Not my strat, but yeah, I can see why you think, like, why you'd say that. What if we fill the wick down to 63 though? That's the issue. I think the best move here right now is either wait for a tap into 78 and a rejection, or wait for a tap back into 84 and a rejection back down, or even a closure back into the range. Are we in a premium or a discount SG? Jesus. Proper ICT guy. Proper technical analysis geezer. Stop loss 63. That's a big stop loss though, bro. That's a big stop loss. Unless you're like swing trading, it's not. I mean, look, I'm not trying to criticize your strategy. I'm just saying I can't take a stop that big. I love a good tight stop loss, me. Pause. Pause, pause, pause. Yeah, chat, wick fill here. Not bad. It's definitely, yeah, there you go. That's a little quick scalp there for you. But it's just, there's no A+ setups right now, chat. Again, I'm not trying to start the week off with a, you know, like a rushed or, you know, a forced trade. The whole point of me, you know, teaching you guys discipline is because I do the same thing, right? I have to practice what I preach. I'm not going to just try and take a setup just for the sake of having a trade on stream. You know, I think realistically, the most important thing right now is staying disciplined. You know, price action is very tough at the moment, so you have to stay strict to your strategy. Wait for a good entry model. Once that entry model prints, then you can take your setup. But until then, it gets very difficult because any people FOMOing in right now, breaking their strategy, I promise you, they're gonna get, you know, they're gonna get taught a lesson. Especially January price action is not the one. January price action can be very difficult. It can catch a lot of people out, so be careful. You know, I said this in my most recent TikTok or Instagram video, but patience and discipline and, you know, taking stuff in terms of a longer time frame is going to be your edge here. Psychology has to be your edge. Also, chat, for you guys who ask me a lot of psychology questions, you are going to love the podcast that I just filmed. The podcast that I filmed with Bright Funded, it was literally focused on psychology. So, like, the whole premise of the episode was in order to talk about psychology. So, yeah, it's going to be sick. I really think that's going to help a lot of traders, like, a lot of traders. It's going to be insane. The 5 minutes flipping here, 15 minute as well. Very interesting chat. If we can get a nice closure on the 30 with like a bullish 15, we could take some buys to come up back towards the top of the range. I think you might start to mirror this move here as well to the left. That's what I'm sort of looking at here. A nice closure on this next 15 would be great. I mean, the 5 looks not too bad actually. I close respecting there. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna have to let this one go. That actually looks quite nice, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. It looks not too bad, but I have to let it go. I can't take this right now. I want to wait for this 15. I was tempted. Right there, but what do you think of the wick entry on the 1 hour? Why isn't it big enough to go for an entry? It is big enough, bro. Trust me, that's a big 1 hour wick. But I think I need some confirmation that we're not going to continue down here. Especially because the daily just rebroke its own low. I just need a confirmation. That's why I'm waiting for this closure here on like the 15 or something. Have to go, SG. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. All right, down in a bit, man. Yeah, in a bit. Chat. 8 minutes here till the 15 close. If you can close bullish right now, I think we're good to go. I think I'm going to attempt some buys if you can close bullish here. I do think this 5 might rip up though, but again, I can't take it. Chat, give me 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes right now. Alright, we're back. 4-hour tiny top wick got me hunting for real. Yeah, I know, bro. It's interesting. I do think we closed below though. Yeah. We closed below here. Technically, like right at the level, right? Yeah, like right at the level. Yeah, chat. We need a confirmation though. Again, I need a 15 bullish at least as a minimum, right? Maybe I didn't ask the question. The top wick of the current 1-hour candle, should it be bigger? Oh, okay, yeah. What do you think of the wick on the 1-hour? Sorry, I read it wrong. Yeah, it's just not. I mean, it's tiny, right? It's like 2 pips, 3 pips. Like, it needs to be more. You need it like to. For the sells, I mean, I needed it to be more earlier because again, there's no confirmation that we're not gonna just flip back up if we got in those sells. So that's why. Because you need a confirmation to tell you, okay, look, now we've grabbed liquidity. We're not going to flip back up. I mean, in hindsight, realistically, this 5-minute was probably your liquidity. But, yeah, I'm going to take the sells. I need that top wick. You are continuing back down now after this 15. So I think it might be the case that we actually continue further. But I mean, look, let's see. We've got how long here? 6 minutes to the 30-minute closure. Let's do this little game that we like to play called Trick the Algorithm. Who remembers this game? Oh no! Oh no! Oh wait. Okay, we're good. We're good. Yeah, I'm not in a position, by the way. I'm just playing. Influx coming. Yeah, trust me. Nova Rise Capital was good. Buys from 26.74. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's every guru trader in the world, right? It's like, oh no, chat. Oh, the trades. Oh no, we're losing. Oh, chat. You know, no, actually, we're good. We're good. Yeah, I actually got the sniper entry here. We're good. Let me just lower this down. Yeah, chat. Closing full here. That's 1,500 pips right there. 1,000,000 pips we caught. W. Shut up, man. I usually get confused. Crazy. I just deleted all my clips by accident. That's so annoying. I had like 5 clips from today's stream I wanted to use, but I just deleted them all. I was looking at my phone. I was just looking at my phone and heard you talking about trades. So I was like, huh? Yeah, my bad. 30 close with no bottom wick. Yeah, I know, but it's... Yeah. I mean, we could take a look at it. Deleted all your clips? I did. Fortunately. Can't remember where they were as well. They're not recoverable? No, I just had them written down. Like, I had the timestamps written down and I forgot what they were. So upsetting. What happens when it breaks the next sell below range? We do the same. Yeah, it's very difficult right now because this, Danny, the stops are very large at this point, right? You've got like what? 77 pip stops. You're tapping into another level here as well on the 30. This level that I have was on the 1 hour, but realistically on the 30, it's a little bit lower. It's just very difficult. Okay. I need to see some form of, you know, actually decent rejection here. If this 15 can flip back up or like the 5 or something, then maybe. But right now, it's getting a little bit difficult. I want to see the 30 close though, because the 30 might give us something. You know, no bottom wick on the 30 would be decent to take a look at. The 4 hour still might need to come and grab a top wick. And if it does, yeah, look, it's starting to reject off this level as well. If it does want to continue up here, chat, then, you know, you could realistically flip on the 4 hour. That could be your entry. Thanks, bro. I understand. Still need to learn how to patiently wait for setup. Yeah, bro, you got it. It's just, it comes with time, bro, to be honest as well. It's just one of those things. SP, I want to grow a belly. Any ideas? What are you on about? Some of the stuff you say, bro, I just have no idea what you're on about. I literally zero idea. I just kind of let you say what you say, and then I just, you know, forget about it. Pushing down again, chat. Pushing down here. Yeah, I'm sad about this clips. What can I do? I should ask. Did anyone clip anything from today's stream chat? Because I know I said clip that, but I doubt it, right? Yeah, probably not. Get the blinds open, big lad. Yeah. Can't look. Can't see shit if I open the blinds. If I'd close them, it's see me again. See? Trust me, I'd love to have them open, but it just doesn't work. Yeah, don't get Matt started on the blinds, mate. He's gonna go crazy. Hang on, I've got an idea. Wait, how do I do this? Oh wait, I'm trying to get them the wrong way. Alright, chat, look. Little closure here. 30 minutes closing below, chat, by the looks of it. Alright, chat, catch it there. Yeah, we're closing below here. This is interesting. Maybe not. Like being an afters 4 days deep, bro. Don't. Yeah, I don't want to think about that. So the 30-minute closed here, chat. You closed, kind of respecting this level here. You closed with the bottom wick as well, and now you're coming up top wick first. This is what you call unideal price action, chat. Unideal price action. I got my timestamps now, chat. So tough. Yeah, nasty price action. Honestly, it's not the best. I will wait for this next yeah, I will wait for the next like 15, the next 4 hour. Not 4 hour, the next 1 hour, sorry. I do think we make a move here pre-NY / late London. Still say we can see a reversal at 26.74. Yeah, I don't know if it needs to come down that far. I mean, it could do, right? But I don't know if it needs to. I think it might reverse from here. How do I use your journal? Because I don't know what to put in. Danny, you can either click on the video on the front of the journal. It will tell you what to use. Or you have access to the course. You're in the group. So you can... There's a video on journaling in the course. Kata, I don't want to hear about Solana. I can't lie. It's upsetting. I see my bad probably. Nah, you're good. Don't worry. It's a valid question. Got 30-minute no bottom wick here. Getting a little bit tough. Yeah, it gets a little bit difficult here, chat. Sounds making me cry now. I know, me too, bro. It's not ideal. Not ideal, bro. SG gave me 1 soul for free, basically. Yeah, I'm a nice guy. This count as a retrace? It's a small retracement, right? Obviously. But I wouldn't call it like a full retracement, right? I genuinely think the 4 hour could still flip here. It's very possible. Oh. But again, I would need to see a bottom wick, chat. This is not ideal for me. Chat, I think I might call it, to be fair. I don't think I'm going to get anything here until New York. Yeah. Chat, I'm going to call it, to be honest. I don't think I'm going to grab anything here. If this 15 would have come down with a bottom wick first, then maybe. But right now, not much I can do, to be honest. Let's play the Geoguessr and we'll call it a day for right now. Chat, if you do want to trade New York with me, make sure you jump into the private group because I am going to be streaming New York session in there. I stream every day in the private group as well. New York session. You can jump in the calls, ask any questions. You know, I'll help you out. Otherwise, yeah, man, jump in there. If not, let's play the Geoguessr real quick and we'll call it a early session. Well, not even an early session. We stayed on for a while. Yeah, why have my broker not replied here? I'm trying to get a refund of the slippage that they gave me. I don't know if they're going to do it. We'll see. What's good, 08? Yeah, GG's. Chat, alright, join the game. I'm going to start in like 10 seconds. Then I'm going to jump off. W's. Three, 2, 1. Alright, cool. Let's see, chat. Bro, this looks like Peckham, but it's like Chinese or Japanese writing. Yeah, close enough. Close enough. Xauusd beat me there. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Brains, you got 12 points. What's that about? There's a waterfall there. I don't know where this is, chat, to be honest. I think it might be like Brazil or... okay. I knew exactly where that was, chat. I got it right. Yo, what's going on? You man are getting no points. Am I playing by myself? Me and Jar. Uh-oh. Might be cooked. Brilliant. Isn't that? No, wait, it's out here. Yeah, that's where I wanted to guess. That's like Qantas, no? Yo, this looks nice. Trees lining the side of the roads. Not bad. Ah. I think I took the dub, chat. Oh no, there's one more round, one more round. Okay, can't get cocky. Yeah, that's getting close. I feel like that might be here. No. Rest, you know. Alright, chat. Easy W's. Yeah, we didn't manage to get a position today, but we did manage to smash the Geoguessr. Listen, I will be back. Yeah, you ripped up here. Nothing I can do. Chat, I'll be back tomorrow morning for London session again. Make sure you guys pull up, lock in with us. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your wife, tell everything. We are here for London session. Chat, I appreciate every single one of you. Peace out. Much love. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.